Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the unable to add card error in Apple Wallet step by step. If your card isn't being accepted, don't worry. There are several quick fixes you can try. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available update. Next, check that your region is set correctly and that Apple Pay is supported in your country. Now, verify your card details. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code. Also, confirm with your bank that the card supports Apple Pay and that there are no restrictions or blocks on your account. Sometimes banks require additional verification before allowing the card to be added. If the issue continues, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then restart your iPhone and try again. You can also reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings. These steps usually resolve the problem and allow you to successfully add your card to Apple Wallet. Subscribe the channel for more videos.